Window jambs separating from wall framing causing air leaks can seriously mess with your home's comfort and energy bills, so fixing this as soon as possible is a must. Alright, so if you notice your window jambs pulling away from the wall framing and letting in drafts, first thing you want to do is check where the gaps are. Then, grab some screws or nails to re-secure those jambs back tight against the framing because loose jambs are like an open door for air to sneak in. Next up, get yourself some high-quality caulk or expanding foam to seal those cracks good. This stops air leaks and keeps moisture out too. When applying caulk, smooth it out with your finger or a tool to make sure it fills all the spaces evenly. Don't forget to check the weather stripping around your windows while you're at it. Replacing worn-out strips can make a big difference. If the wood around the jamb is damaged or rotting, swap it out before sealing to avoid future problems. After sealing, keep an eye on the area for a few days to make sure the fix holds up and no new leaks pop up. Lastly, consider getting a professional inspection if you're unsure about handling it yourself or if the problem seems widespread. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with window jamb repairs is ignoring the root cause of the separation, like water damage or structural shifting, which just makes the problem come back fast. To fix this, you gotta check for leaks or rot first and replace any damaged wood before sealing. Another issue is using cheap or wrong sealants that crack or peel quickly. Always pick a sealant rated for outdoor use and temperature changes. The third common slip-up is not tightening the jambs enough when reattaching them, leaving gaps open. You want your screws snug but not so tight that they crack the wood. Just firm enough to hold it flush against the framing. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.